Well, that was depressing. I just recorded a 7-minute long video about a proof that the square root of 2 is irrational. Um, but my mic was off the entire time. So, we're gonna get started right away. Suppose square root of 2 is rational. This is a proof by contradiction, y'all. So basically, you first assume something that is directly the opposite of what you are trying to prove. So for this case, since it is a proof that the square root of 2 is irrational, we're going to start by saying, suppose the square root of 2 is rational. Okay? You got us. It's rational. Then it lists a bunch of stuff until it finds a contradiction, meaning that this first line cannot be true. Oh, and by the way, I got this off a random website. Um, Hold on. Where was it? Oh yeah, the University of some place. Adelaide. This thingy. Um, it gives a great explanation, but I'm gonna give a better one. So, you know what? I don't think we really need to use this proof. It's a bunch of math stuff, and the problem with math is that some people just don't know how to do it. I myself am one of those people. So we're gonna skip this entirely because I am a genius and I found a better way to prove that the square root of 2 is irrational. Ignore this. So what I'm going to be doing is called a proof by calculator. You do square root of 2, shit, square root of 2. Okay, is that thing. Times 1.41413562337. Now, if it's an irrational number, it should be really close to 2, but not quite 2. And if it's rational, then this should be the number and we should get 2. Fuck. Okay, so what happened here is the calculator is wrong. The calculator is always wrong. Look, if we put 2 plus 2 in, it's going to say 4. That's so dumb. Obviously, it's 5. You know, let me try a different calculator. Okay, so square root of 2 equals. Alright, so now we're going to copy and paste that. Fuck, it doesn't. Now let's just put that into right there. And hopefully this is a more accurate calculator. 1 point, you can definitely tell it's more accurate because it shows less digits. 11425. Wait, no, that's wrong. 1.41. Fuck. You know what? Just get out of here. Where's the clear button? Okay, there's the clear button. So, 1.4142135. You know that thing in Among Us where it's like the task where you have to punch in the numbers in the reactor? This is what that feels like. 135,624. All right, equals. Look at that. It's not quite 2. There you go. That is a proof by calculator. Um, just in case you're not going to accept this proof because you can't see that the Google Calculator sucks, I have another method of proving this. And this is called a proof by Google search. Is the square root of 2 a rational number? And we can see clearly that Sal proves that the square root of 2 is an irrational number, and it cannot be given as the ratio of two integers. So that is a ratio on anyone who believes that it is rational. Because look at that, Khan Academy put out a video about why the square root of 2 is irrational. So what the fuck did I just do? Okay, uh, that's great. Now, this proof by Google search, basically, if someone's already done something, there's no need to do it again because he already proved it. There's the proof. Um, just in case people don't trust the proof by Google search, take a look at this. Climate change isn't real. See, scholarly articles. Yeah, see, there are scholarly articles. That's the third one isn't true because climate change doesn't exist. Why isn't the brain? What the fuck? The fuck is that? Um, ignore this. See why climate change isn't real since someone already wrote a fucking book as on it. Look at that. Um, uh, we don't have to do it because it's not real. Ignore this, ignore this, ignore this, ignore this. Wait, no, don't ignore this. This is a good one. Because look, except it's not quite true because the black line there, which is for climate change, shouldn't be there at all. See? So that's not true because climate change doesn't exist. And if, just in case we still don't believe, we don't trust Google to give us our answers for every single thing we do, let's try one more Google search. Is the Earth flat? No, the Earth is roughly a sphere. Well, come on, come on. You can't believe everything you read on the internet. There are some things that are just obviously untrue, and of course we know that the Earth is roughly not a sphere, it is a circle. See, you can see there's a person standing on the Earth. That's what we all look like, of course. That is pretty accurate, I would say. Why do BBC is an untrustworthy. No, no, no. We hate BBC. It's an untrustworthy source. Um, hell yeah. Of course he's gonna prove that the Earth is flat, 'cause it's flat. Look, if it were curved, why can't I just stare out my window and see the curve? Oh no, houses are blocking it. Oh, whatever. No, I I can see and I can see that there is no curve. Science denier, another word for that is globetards. Yeah. Um, what is it that I know? Okay, so as we can see, the square root of 2 is irrational. Yeah. We love Murica. Yeah. Okay, how do I end videos? Goodbye now. Bye now.